here in the face of Montserrado snatched the trophy. Margibi could not make it this time around out here, but now we have Montserrado going against Maryland. It's now Maryland and Montserrado. Will history repeat itself? Maryland, can you answer me? Will history repeat itself?
Definitely.
Will history repeat itself?
Definitely.
Shirley Coleman, you representing Montserrado. Will history repeat itself?
Never.
Speak loudly. Will history repeat itself?
Never.
Shirley Coleman is sounding as if they are afraid. Will history repeat itself?
Never.
Ladies and gentlemen, the dial is cast. That is a sign of a battle. The debate is about to take place. We now quickly move to Maryland County. 30 seconds. Tell me all the players you brought for this competition.
Thank you ever so much. I first of all dedicated march to Sister Mary Laurie Brown, President of the Stella Marie Polytechnics. I want to recognize Mr. P. Mathieu, Mr. Boniface Dallaire, and my two coaches, Ferdon Gay and that of Chego Jobo. I have students.
I'm Nathan Akagame, free member of this. I remain the question of Jawia.
Elisha San Sabado Karen is said to be my occupational symbolism.
Prince foreshadowing watch out for part 2 Apoton.
Serving as the Edith Taris, the Latin War mini captain, I'm Alfred Wedoslaw Jr., but for the sake of this match, just refer to me as the Arturo Rosia, the sorrowful motor gone by Jesus Christ to accuse the vacation I pause.
Thank you very much. Montserrado County, 30 seconds. Tell me who you brought.
Before introducing our team, I would like to recognize our administrator, teacher, and student body, and all fans and friends who are here for Sister Shirley Coleman Memorial Catholic School. Representing the Montserrado County, Sister Shirley Coleman, I have 3 brilliant scholars. They can better introduce themselves.
I am student successful Sylvester Suspense Simon Jr. I remain constant. I am successful Henry Destor Derry. I remain constant.
Successful Catafora Dilano Giver is my name.
The successful Mika Clement is my nomenclature. I pause.
Ladies and gentlemen, who's moving? Okay, so let's do this. Maryland County, test your boozers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maryland, is everything okay?
Perfect.
Is everything all right?
Absolutely.
Can we proceed?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Montserrado, test your boozers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is everything all right?
Perfect.
Is everything okay?
Perfect.
Can we proceed? We proceed. Question number 1, category language arts. A brief story of Perm. Yes, Shirley Coleman, Montserrado County.
A brief story of poem. A brief story of poem, often with animal characters and intended to teach a moral lesson.
Your answer. 15
15
points, you're correct. Question number 2. Identify the literary device used in the sentence. No wonder why. Complete my question. Maryland County.
No wonder why he was defeated.
Minus 5. Identify the literary devices used in the sentence. No wonder why people call you Charles Taylor of our city. Shirley Coleman. Your answer?
Metaphor.
Metaphor, wrong. Allegory. Question number 3. A story composed orally. Complete my question, Maryland.
A story composed orally and was passed from generation to generation by word of mouth, referred to as what?
Your answer?
Oral tradition.
I would not take that. I'm sorry. I saved my breath, Shirley Coleman. A story composed orally and then passed from person to person by word of mouth. Yes?
Folktale.
Folktale. Yes? Maryland, argue.
Please help my grammarian raise a gun.
Let him proceed.
Yes, humble moderator. In literature, if you look at the definition of folktale and oral tradition, they are the same. So, and folktale, it can be the same definition as
Oral tradition, they are not the same. We proceed. We're
Thank you very
discussing
much.
literature here. Question number 4. Language arts. Correctly spell the word ambiguity. Yes, Maryland.
Take
Q,
AMBIQUITY.
I'm sorry. Correctly spell the word ambiguity. Montserrado.
Ambirgurty.
10 points, you're correct. The scoreboard. Shelley Coleman, 10 points. Yes, Shelley?
Yes, Mr. Gibson. We have answered three questions, and we noticed that the question that was transferred to us, you didn't get our point.
It was not considered, the points were not considered. So my judges are perusing that to talk with the scorekeeper. Okay, it's supposed to be 35 points.
Yes.
We proceed. Question number 5. Question number 5. A wildly told story, complete my question,
A
Maryland.
Wale told story involving greater character development so that hero and other goddesses is referred to as what?
Manners 5. A wildly told story about the past. Yes?
A widely told story about the past that may or may not be based on actual fact. It's referred
Your
to
answer.
the legend.
Legend. 15 points, you are correct. That does it for language arts in this first half. We now move the category general science. Fatima, -10. Shelley Coleman, 50. The margin is 60 in favor of Shelley Coleman. Shelley Coleman, who's moving? Who's dropping? Now move the category general science. Question number 1. A chemical process by which cell release energy from sugar. Yes, Maryland County complete.
Cell release energy from sugar and involve heat. Involving heat that is usually aided by bacterial action is referred to as what?
Compose your completion again, please.
A chemical process that involve
-5. A chemical process by which cell release energy from sugar when no oxygen is present. Yes, Monserrato?
Fermentation.
Fermentation, you're correct for 10 points. Yes, Maryland? Debate?
yes, please, since my student raised a point.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Moderator, in reading science with distinction and clarity, fermentation in another book is a chemical process in which ethanol is made with sugar with the addition of bacteria. And the other one say fermentation is the process in which ethanol is made from sugar without the presence of oxygen.
Let's assume that you're correct. Is that what you said?
Yes.
You were not clear. We proceed. You were not clear. You're stuttering too much. You have to be clear at this level. You know that. We proceed. Question number 2. Stay on general science. A long, slender, flexible extension of the body of the certain animal, such as jellyfish, is referred to as Monserrato County.
Take the tentacle.
The tentacles. 15 points, you're correct. Question number 3. Spreading of particles throughout Maryland County complete.
Spreading of particles throughout a given medium until they are distributed evenly is referred to as
Your
what?
answer,
Diffusion.
20 points, you are correct. Question number 4, I'm sorry. Group 17 on the periodic table, complete my question, Maryland.
I refer to as swap.
I'll take that your answer.
Halogen.
20 points, you are correct. Question number 5, the last to end, general science. Yes?
Yes, Mr. Gibson, we have a qualm. You said group 17 on the periodic table, and our opponent only are referred to as what?
Yes, the correct answer is 15 points, please. Thank you, Shelley. Thank you very much. 15 points, -5 from Fatima. We now move to question number 5. The setting of particles within a solution of mixture is called, yes, Monserrato? Monserrato?
Dispersion.
Say that.
Dispersion.
Wrong. The setting of particles within a solution of mixture is referred to as what? Maryland County.
Suspension.
Wrong. Deposition. That does it for general science. We now move the category social studies. Scoreboard: Fatima 20, Shelley Coleman 80. The margin is 60 points. We now move to social study. Question number 1. An agreement between one, yes, Monserrato?
an agreement between two countries to stop fighting against him as what?
I will not take that -5. An agreement between or among states to defend each other.
To defend each other for a particular purpose. Else if I do as well.
Let me listen to your answer.
Alliance.
15 points, you are correct. Question number 2. Which tribe in Liberia is reported to have been among the laborers? Complete my question, Maryland.
Of the Fenanopo scandal, of the Fenanopo labor scandal.
-5. Which tribe in Liberia is reported to have been among the laborers that were constructing the Suez Canal in Egypt? Montserrato.
Take for me the Mende.
Wrong. The correct answer is Crew. Question number 3. A tropical storm that complete my question, Montserrato.
A tropical storm or a severe tropical storm that revolves around an area of high temperature causing great damages is called what?
Your answer.
Hurricane.
15 points, you are correct. Yes, Maryland, debate.
Yeah, that man, historian raise a point.
Speak.
Yeah, moderator, it should have been around a center of low pressure and my counterpart said a pressure of center of high pressure.
Your counterpart is correct for 15. We proceed. Question number 4. Who invented the vice script? Montserrat County.
Who invented the vice script in 1930?
Thank you for adding that. Your answer?
Tualu Bukiri.
15 points. You are correct. Yes, Maryland.
Yeah, that man, historian raise a point.
Let him speak.
It shouldn't have been 1930, it should have been 1830.
Ladies and gentlemen, Maryland have just won that debate. The answer travels for 15 points to Maryland County. Thank you very much. Question number 5. What is the capital city of Bhutan? Montserrato?
Thimphu.
10 points, you're correct. That does it for social studies. We now move the category mathematics. Scobo reads, Fatima 45, Shirley Coleman 100. The margin is 55. We now move the category mathematics. Question number 1. Who defined geometric function by using algebraic expression and is regarded as the founder? Yes, complete. Shirley Coleman.
Is regarded as the founder and father of geometry.
Your answer?
Euclid.
Say that.
Euclid.
Wrong. Who defined geometric function by using algebraic expression and is regarded as the founder of analytical geometry? Yes.
René Descartes.
15 points, you are correct. Question number 2. Find the midpoint of the line segment. Point 1 minus 2, command minus 1. Point 2, 2, command 2. Yes, Maryland, count it.
The midpoint is parenthesis open. 0,1 or 2.
15 points, you are correct. Question number 3. Expand 2.5 times 10 to the 6th power. Maryland County.
Yes, my answer is 250,000.
I will not take that. Expand 2.5 times 10 to the 6th power.
2,500,000.
2,500,000. You are correct for 15 points. We now move to question number 5. Identify the leading coefficient in this expression. X cubed minus x squared plus 6. Montserrat County.
1.
10 points. 15 points. You are correct. Question number 1. That does it for mathematics. We now move the category current events. Scobo reads, Our Lady of Fatima 75. Shirley Coleman 130. The margin is 55. Current events. What is the name of the current Minister of Gender? Yes.
Gender and children and social protection.
Your answer?
William Mita Peso Serita.
15 points. You are correct. Both teams swap position. Coaches, please talk with your teams. This half is the sensational half. The half that will determine who will lift that giant trophy provided by Youth Movement for Collective Action. Or who will lift the smaller one provided by Youth Movement for Collective Action. Montserrato, any substitution?
No substitution.
No substitution. Maryland, any substitution?
Constant.
Both teams are playing constant. Question number 1 category, language arts. Skoborit, Fatima 90, Shirley Coleman 130. The margin is 40. Question number 1. The collection of myth, Maryland County,
A collection of myths by several other in your world of literature is referred to as well.
your answer,
Mythology.
15 points, you're correct. Question number 2. A Manon plot that relates, complete my question, Maryland County.
A manner plot that relates a sequence of events with another event within a literal work is referred to as what?
And listen to your answer.
Subplot.
Subplot. 15 points, you are correct. Question number 3. A feeling of uncertainty. Yes? Montserrato?
A feeling of uncertainty and anxiety that is determined by the others. What will become the outcome of a story?
Your answer.
The suspense.
15 points, you are correct. Question number 4, language arts. Language arts. A word such as which or who. Maryland County complete.
A word such as which or who that asks question about a specific situation or issue is referred as.
Your answer.
Take interrogative pronoun.
You are correct for 15 points. Question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. What is the name of the protagonist in the book, The Gods? Complete my question, Maryland.
In the boat, the gods are not to blame.
Your answer.
What do you want it?
15 points, you are correct. That does it for language arts in this entire game. We now visit the score. Fatima from down, top the margin, 150. Shirley Coleman, 145, the margin of 5. Who's moving? General science. Question number 1. Any tailed amphibian that has soft and scaleless skin. Yes, Montserrato,
It's them as well.
your answer? Time.
Yes.
Any tail amphibian that has soft and scaleless skin with a long body, tail, and short limb is referred to as?
Lizard.
Wrong, salamander. Question number 2. Question. Yes.
Oh, I have a qualm.
State.
Yes, lizard is part of the amphibian family, and it has. It's a salamander. Lizard is a salamander, and it has scale and long tail with short limbs.
My judges are researching immediately to classified laser. We proceed. Once they signal me, I will announce your points. You know the rules. Question number 3. A chamber found in the lower stomach. Complete my question.
In the lower stomach that stores food.
-5. A chamber found in the lower stomach of an animal that facilitates food grinding is referred to as what?
Kizia.
15 points, you are correct. My judge have just found that laser is a part of the salamander family. You are correct for 15 points, Maryland County. Yes, Montserrato?
Yes, Mr. Gibson, he said that a type of amphibians, and we know that lizard is not an amphibian because amphibians have a characteristic of living in both land and water, and lizard cannot live in water.
Now listen to me. Ladies and gentlemen, I just want you, before I proceed with the results, to just give Montserrat a very big hand of applause. They said they were not allowed any wrong point to be given to anybody. Please subtract the 15. Now I'll read this. You know, we're quick. They say at first glance, salamander appears to be a type of lizard, but lizard is a reptile. We proceed. Thank you, Montserrato. The fight is on. Question number 4. A high shell which shield Maryland County complete.
which shoe the outer covering of an egg is referred to as what? Which shoe the outer covering of a turtle is referred to as what?
I'll listen to your answer.
Carpet!
20 points, you are correct. Question number 5. Question number 5. A selection process where the breeder chooses, complete my question, Maryland.
Where the breeder chooses are made to breed with to produce offspring of desirable, heritable traits.
Your answer.
Selective breeding.
Say that.
Selective breeding.
Wrong. A selection process where the breeder chooses the animal of mating and producing offspring of desired inheritable qualities is called what?
Inbreeding.
Wrong. Artificial selection. That does it for general science. We now move the category social studies. Kobaris, Fatima, 185. Shirley Como, 140. The margin is 45. Social studies. Question number 1. What is the capital city of Barbados, Maryland County?
I gave you Misk.
Misk. Wrong. What is the capital city of Barbados?
Bridgetown.
Bridgetown, 10 points. Question number 2. In 1556, complete my question, Maryland.
Captain William Towson landed near the Cecil's River.
Minus 5. In 1556, another Englishman paid a visit to the Green Coast. How is he called?
Theodore.
Wrong, Captain with him. Question number. What is the official currency of Maryland County?
What is the official currency of Belgium?
Minus 5. What is the official currency of Burundi?
CFA franc.
CFA franc. I will not take the Burundi franc. Question number 4. The death by hanging from the branch, Maryland, complete.
From the branch of the tree which was merely practicing ancient days.
Your answer.
Lychee.
15 points, you are correct. Question number 5. The Loma script was invented. Complete my question. Monserrato.
The Loma script was invented by whom?
I take that your answer.
Widow Zoba.
We know Zoba. 15 points, you are correct. That does it. Yes. Yes.
Can they allow my historian to raise a quam?
Yeah, raise the quam.
Moderator, you said a score what is referred to as whom is awarded 10 points, and I noticed you giving my opponent 15 points.
Please subtract the 5. No one wants to allow 3 points. Thank you very much. We proceed. We now move the category mathematics. Scobaris, Fatima, 190. Shirley Como, 160. The margin is 30. We have 6 more questions to go. Simplify. The root of 2 or over the root of 3. Monserrato.
The rule of 6 or what 3?
15 points, you are correct. Question number 2. Mathematics. Question number 2. What is the formula used in finding the perimeter of an Maryland?
Of an
Minus 5. What is the formula used in finding the perimeter of an equilateral triangle?
The perimeter is equal to 3 times the length. Or
Wrong.
any of the length.
The perimeter is equal to 3s. We move the question number. You said 3 times the length. You want to waste my time? We proceed.
Yes.
Yes.
The s there is representing any one of the length. Yes, and I said 3 times the length. So if you say 3s is the same as 3 times x.
You are wrong. Thank you very much. You are wrong. The triangle, all of the sizes are not called length. We proceed. Don't disturb. Question number 3. Mathematics. Factorize completely. 3x squared minus 4x minus 7. Yes, Maryland County.
Parenthesis open. Parenthesis open. 3x minus. Parenthesis open. 3x minus 7. It closes. Another one open. X plus 1. It closes.
15 points, you are correct. Question number 4. Yes, Shirley Coleman, Montserrat County, Kwan.
Yes, please allow my mathematician to address.
Let him speak.
Yeah, he said 3s minus 7. Another
Wrong. 3x squared minus 4x minus 7.
Yeah, I'm discussing what he read.
Okay,
as
yes,
an
proceed.
In his answer, the last part, which is the last part of the he said x plus 1.
You have a problem with that man answer? Can you multiply your answer for me? Should we proceed or you still want to discuss?
Yes. He correct.
He's correct. We proceed. Question number 4, stay on mathematics. How many diagonal can be formed from a 7-sided polygon? Maryland County.
7.
7, wrong. How many diagonal can be formed from a 7-sided polygon?
Yes, the answer is 28 or 3.
Wrong. The correct answer is 14 diagonal. Question number 5. Given the points to be 3,1 and the slope 2/3, write the equation. Complete my question, Maryland County.
Write the equation. Write the linear equation.
Your answer, Maryland County.
The linear equation is y is equivalent to 2. Y is equivalent to 2x plus.
Wrong. Given that the points to be 3,1 and the slope 2/3, write the equation.
Y is equal to 2s over 3 minus 1.
I will not take that. 2x minus 3y is equal to 3. Both teams kindly rise as we determine our winner today. Scoreboard reads Fatima 200, Shirley Coleman 170. Maryland is in the margin 25. Ladies and gentlemen, the last question to call it a day for year 2. Audience, don't come any closer. We have some activities, some things to carry out immediately. The last question to end this match. Ladies and gentlemen, who is the chief moderator of the Liberia Media? Complete my question.
For Democratic Initiative,
Your answer.
Mr. Tony Gibson.
You are correct for 15 points. But, ladies and gentlemen, Our Lady of Fatima, Maryland County, 200 points to 190. They are the winner for year 2. All the way from Maryland County, Harper City at the Cape, where the seashore hits with Ivory Coast. Maryland County have made it here today. The ceremony.
Oh, dear vida.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. We're trying to find 2 teams that will meet in the grand finals. This is the second leg. After that, the grand finals. I will now ask Montserrat 1 to move and shake all of the players of Montserrat 2, and you come up for quizzing. Shirley Coleman, Catholic School versus Ricks Institute Baptist School.
Representing Ricks Institute, I have the following lucubrators, but they will better introduce themselves.
I am Dazia Jigowe. I am Yami Q Bese Junior, but for today, call me Melvin Kevin, the chemical revenue. I'll take race to heaven.
I'm Peterson J. Flomo Jr., but for this match, you call me A.K.
Pusha.
And my name is Christopher A. Lavot Jr. for this match. For today, we refer to today as the VSA, Victory over Shirley Coleman Day. I submit.
Thank you very much. We now move to Shirley Coleman. 30 seconds. Introduce your playing team.
I am successful Sylvester Suspense Simon Jr. For this match, I remain constant.
I'm successful Aaron Tester, they will be constant.
Successful Kadafura Dilano Giwa is my name.
Serving as a humble captain, I'm the successful Mega Clement. I pause.
Ladies and gentlemen, who's moving? Let's do this. Ricks, test your boosters on my instruction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mr. Captain, talk to me. Is everything okay there?
Yes, sir.
Is everything all right?
Exactly
Are you
so.
sure about that?
Yes,
we
sir.
now move to share the coma. Test the boozers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mr. Captain, is everything okay there?
Perfect.
Is everything all right? Are
Absolutely.
you sure about that? Question number 1, category language arts. Question number 1, the attitude of belief. Complete my question, Shirley Coleman.
The attitude of belief that affects the erector's ability to present a particular subject.
Your
Yes,
answer.
The bias.
15 points. You are correct. Question number 2. Oh no. No. I will apply -5 if I have to warn you again. Thank you very much. We proceed. Question number 2. Question number 2. An action verb that takes complete my question. Shirley Coleman.
An action verb that is performed by the subject in a sentence is referred to as what?
-5. An action verb that takes a direct object is referred to as what?
Take translated verb.
10 points, you correct. Question number 2. Number 3. A group of words. Complete my question.
A group of words that has a subject and a predicate and necessary to make a sentence stem as well.
Your answer.
Plus.
15 points, you are correct. Question number 4. The history of the world.
The
Complete
history of a word and how it is erased into a present meaning spelling stem as well.
Your answer.
Etymology.
15 points, you are correct. Question number 5. The last in language arts in this first half. A noun form. Complete my question, Shirley Coleman.
A noun form by adding ing a noun form by adding ing is used as a noun. It's referred to as what?
I take that your answer.
Jeru.
15 points, you are correct. That does it for language arts. We now move the category general science. Our scoreboard. Rex Institute 40 points. Shirley Coleman 25. The margin is 15. Who's moving? Science. Question number 1. The regular expansion. Complete my question. Shirley Coleman. Shirley Coleman.
The regular expansion of a set of number in a repeating pattern is stem as well.
-5. The regular expansion of the artery walls caused by the pumping of the heart is called what?
Take the blood pressure.
The blood pressure, I will not take that, will take pause. Question number 2. A group of invertebrates, animals, such as insects, centipedes, etc. Complete my question.
Can be termed as what?
I take that your answer.
Take arthropods.
Arthropause.
Arthropod.
What did you say?
I said arthropods or arthropod.
15 points, you are correct. Question, yes?
Yes, Mr. Gibson. You completed the question. You only said to be stem as what?
No, but the science category, every answer is 15, okay?
Okay.
We proceed. Yeah, there's a new rule, so that we get used to this. Question number 3. A single point tooth that is shaped and used for piercing. Complete my question.
For piercing material or food, can be termed as what?
Your answer,
Take kidney.
20 points, you are correct. Question number 4. General science. Question number 4. General science. A stage of life that begins with the maturation of, yes, Shirley Coleman.
A stage of life that begins with the maturation of the blood flow in female is stem as what?
Let me listen to your answer.
Puberty.
20 points, you are correct. Question number 5. Stay on general science. The concentration of a gas, liquid, or solid on the surface of liquid or solid with which it is in contact.
Is stem as what?
Your answer?
Absorption.
15 points, you are correct. That does it for general science. We now move the category social studies. Scoreboard reads, Rick 65, Shirley Coleman 60. The margin is 5. Who's moving? Question number 1. Social studies. How did the Portuguese refer to the territory? Complete my question, Shirley
How
Coleman.
did the Portuguese refer to the territory that lie between the Farmington River and the... I come again. How did the Portuguese refer to the territory that lie between the Farmington River and
-5. How did the Portuguese refer to the territory that lies between Cape Montserrat and the Farmington River in Margibi County?
Pepper Coast.
Wrong. The correct answer is you are correct for 10 points. Question number 2. Political and social system of the Middle Age in Europe in which Lord gave land to
in which Lord gave land to Vassal in return for services of use of land.
Your answer.
The feudalism.
You are correct for 15 points. Question number 3. Kingdoms that existed from 700 to 1000 in the region between the Sahara and the forests of the South. Yes.
In the forests of the South African.
Your answer.
Take the Eastern Asian kingdom.
I will not take that. Kingdom that existed from the 700s to the 1000 in the region between the Sahara and the forests of the Southwest Africa is referred to as
Great Zimbabwe.
wrong. The Ghana Empire. Question number 4. Organization set up after World War I. Complete my question, Rex Institute.
Organization set up after World War I to investigate the problem caused during the war by the various
Your
countries.
answer.
Take the League of Nations.
15 points, you are correct. Question number 5. What is the capital city of what? Yes. I will assume that you did not even ring. We proceed. What is the capital city of, excuse me?
That'd be fast.
Policy by which? Rex, your answer. Complete my question.
Or policy by which government controls everything in the citizen benefit from it can be referred to as what?
I will not take that -5. Policy by which stronger nations extend their economic, political, or military control over weaker nations is referred to as Shirley Coleman.
I will whisper anyway.
Say that. Wrong. I will not take that. We proceed. The correct answer is.
Mr. Moderator.
Oh, I'm talking and you're interrupting, Rex. The correct answer is imperialism. Rex, now let me listen to your poem.
Yeah, Mr. Moderator, you were already in flight with reading capital city. And we were already good at that, but to our...
Are you arguing that?
No, sir.
Should I manners from you right away? And what you should be saying right now?
I'm sorry.
We proceed. Category mathematics. Scobo Reeks, Rex Institute, 85. Shirley Coleman, 70. The margin is 15. Question number 1, category mathematics. Simplify. If A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, evaluate 3B minus A squared. Shirley Coleman, Montserrat 2. 3, 10 points, you are correct. 15 points, you are correct. Question number 2. Question number 2. A mathematical phrase that includes one or more. Complete my question, Rex.
A mathematical phrase that includes one or more other operation and they use variables.
Your answer.
Algebraic expression.
20 points, you are correct. Question number 3. Simplify. 64 raised to the power minus 3 over 2. Yes, Shirley Coleman. Shirley Coleman. Your answer.
8 raised to the power of -3.
Say that again.
Yes, my answer is
time. 64 raised to the power. Now, my judges still ask me to listen to you. Repeat the same thing you say and you're taking long to do that?
Yes. Then my answer will be
I will not take that. We proceed. Simplify. 64 raised to the power minus 3 over 2.
512.
You are correct for 10 points.
15.
15 points. Question number 4. A line that divides a parabola. Complete my question.
A line that divides a parabola can better be referred to as what? A line that can divide a parabola into 2 parts.
Your answer?
Answer Austin Belgium.
20 points. You are correct. Question number 5. The last to end mathematics in this first half. Find the midpoint of the line segment passing through these points. Point 1, minus 4, minus 6. Point 2. Yes, Shirley Coleman, complete.
yes. Mr. Money Radar is an electrical fault.
Minus 5. Find the midpoint of the line segment passing through these points. Point 1, minus 4, minus 6. Point 2, minus 10, 8. Rex Institute.
Minus 7. The midpoint is equal to parenthesis OP. Minus 7, 1.
15 points, you are correct. That does it for mathematics. We now move the category current events. Current events question number 1. Scoreboard reads, Rex Institute 155, Shirley Coleman 80, the margin is 75. Rex, who's moving? Question. Who is the current Minister of Commerce? Rex Institute.
I gave you Professor Wesley Tepe.
10 points, you are correct. Swap position, coaches interact with your teams. Welcome back. This is the last and the final half. The half that will determine which of these representatives from Montserrado will meet Maryland County in the grand finals. Shirley Coleman, Montserrado to any substitution.
Yes.
Introduce the substitute.
I am successful Theophilus Mark Davis II, but for this match I remain constant.
Thank you very much. Rex Institute. Any substitution?
Constant.
Constant. We then proceed into language arts. Question number 1. Is a song like Perm? Complete my question, Shirley Coleman.
A song like Perm that tells a story of the dealing with adventure and romance. That's
Your
all.
answer.
Ballad.
15 points. You are correct. Question number 2. Question number 2. 2 consecutive lines. Yes.
2 consecutive rhyming lines of poetry. Yes, if you have to
Your answer.
Couplet.
15 points. You are correct. Question number 3. Question number 3. The outcome of the complete my question, Rex.
The outcome of the event within a literary work is same as well.
Your answer?
Take the plot.
Wrong. Yes, I saved my breath.
Save your breath. The best solution.
10 points. You are correct. Question number 4. Question number 4. A poem with a shape that suggests, complete my question.
A poem with a shape that suggests a meaning. Yes, if you have to
I take that your answer.
15
15 points. You are correct. Question number 5. Question number 5. Spell correctly the word. Spell correctly the word logarithm. Yes, Rex.
Take LOGARITHM.
Say that one.
Take capital LOGARITHM.
You are correct for 10 points. That does it for language arts. We now move the category general science. Scoreboard reads Rex Institute 175. Shirley Coleman, 135. The margin is 40 in favor of Rex. Rex Institute. Who's moving? We now move the category general science. The transformation of an animal from its, yes, Shirley Coleman.
The transformation of an animal from a original home to another in search for food is score.
Minus 5. The transformation of an animal from its larval form into its adult form. Yes, Rex?
Take metamorphosis.
15 points, you are correct. Question number 2. The process of an anthropod shedding its complete
exoskeleton is score. The process of an anthropod shedding its exoskeleton.
Your answer?
Moti.
20 points, you are correct. Question number 3. The division of the cytoplasm. Yes.
The division of the cytoplasm is cell division is score.
Your answer?
Cytokinesis.
20 points, you are correct. A process in which steel is coated with zinc to prevent, yes.
To prevent rusting is score.
Your answer?
Fluting or vulcanization.
Say that?
Vulcanization.
I will not take that. A process in which steel is coated with zinc to prevent corrosion or rust is called?
Take steam.
Wrong. Galvanizing or galvanization, not vocal. Question number 5. The extraction of metal from old. Yes, Rex.
Can be termed as what?
I take that.
Take smell.
Wrong. The extraction of metal from old using aqueous chemical solution is called?
Fractionation.
Wrong. Leaching. That does it for general science. We now move the category social studies. Scope. Yes, Rex?
He said the extraction of metal from an ore is called leaching. I thought leaching was the process by which water removed.
Leaching. Researcher better. The scoreboard read Rex 190. Shirley Coleman 170. The margin is 20. We now move the category social studies. Question number 1. Question number 1, category social studies. A number of cities and suburbs. Yes, Shirley Coleman.
A number of cities in suburbs in a particular region with the central government is referred to as
Let me listen to you.
Cities.
I would not take that. I saved my
A
breath.
number of cities and suburbs that blend together into a large urban area can be termed as
Your
what?
answer.
Megalopolis.
50 points, you are correct. Question number 2. What is the capital city of Denmark? Shirley Coleman.
Kyiv.
Wrong. What? Yes, I saved my breath.
Copenhagen.
You are correct for 10 points. An official announcement issued by President Abraham Lincoln in 1863. Shirley Coleman, complete my question.
In 1863, proclaiming the national country that all slaves are free is score.
Let me hear your answer.
Emancipation Proclamation.
15 points, you are correct. Question number 4. What is the official currency of Cyprus? Rex Institute.
Take pound.
Wrong. Cyprus. Shirley Coleman. Official currency of Cyprus.
Euro.
10 points, you are correct. Question number 5. The last to end social studies. The tendency of a country's people. Complete my question, Rex Institute.
The what?
Minus 5. The tendency of the country's people to move from rural area to cities is called?
Urbanization.
10 points, you are correct. That does it for social studies. We now move the category mathematics. Score reads Rex Institute 210. Shirley Coleman 205. The margin is 5. Ladies and gentlemen, who's moving? Who's dropping? Let us now find out. Question number 1. Identify disconnect section. I repeat. Identify disconnect section. X squared over 4 plus. Complete my question, Rex. Is that you?
A square over 4 plus Y square over 9 equal to 1.
Your answer
is
20 points. You are correct. Question number 2. Simplify Manos 1000 raised to the power 2 over 3. Rex Institute.
Oh, Manos 100.
15 points, you are correct. Question number, yes. Shelley Como, you wrong?
Yes, Mr. Gibson, play allow my mathematician.
Please.
Yes, the question is just read. My opponent missed the question.
Please repeat the question to me.
The question is here, minus 1,000 raised to the power of minus 2 over 3.
No, raised to the power 2 over 3. Can we proceed?
Yes, it's still wrong.
It's still wrong.
Yes, he said minus 100.
He said minus 100 and I said he's correct.
It's not correct.
Why?
Because if you multiply...
First of all, answer the following question for me easily. What is the cube root of minus 1,000?
Minus 10.
Speak through the
minus
mic now.
10.
The cube root of minus 1,000 is what?
Minus 10.
When you square is what?
Positive 100.
Positive 100. Now, you sure you're saying the right thing?
Yes.
Now, minus 1,000 raised to the power 2 over 3. Ladies and gentlemen, Shelley Como have won a debate. The question now will be removed from Riggs and turned over to Shelley Como for 15 points. That's the rule. We proceed. Shelley Como will now receive the 15 points. We proceed. Question number 4. Category mathematics. Find the range given the set of data 4, 6, 10, 121, 31, and 7. Shirley Coleman.
117.
117, you are correct for 15 points. Question number 5. May I have your attention? Question number 5. The score right now, if you listen up by way of radio, Rex 230, Shelley Coleman 235. The margin is 5. Mathematics. Find the slope and the y-intercept of this equation. The equation reads 4x plus y equal 12. Rex Institute.
The slope is minus 4. The y-intercept is 12.
15 points, you are correct. That does it for mathematics. We now move to current events. Both teams kindly rise. The score reads Rex Institute 245, Shelley Como 235. The margin is 10. Who's moving? Current events. Name correctly the 2 presidential candidates. Your completion.
Name complete corrected the 2 presidential candidates that participated in the 2017 election that were present here.
Your answer.
Honorable Madonna Winter and Honorable Simon Freeman.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's over. Shelley Coleman, 50 points. You are correct. Sister Shelley Coleman, 250. Rex Institute, 245. Shelley Coleman, welcome to the grand finals.